there. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I am blessed. I am blessed. And I know that everyone is blessed today. And I hope everyone has had a wonderful day today. God has made a beautiful day for everyone. And I know it. And I feel it all in my veins. So thank you all. So now I'm going to read you my scripture. And then I will tell you what I'm getting ready to do today. I have no greater joy than to hear that my children are walking in the truth. I have no greater joy than to hear that my children are walking in the truth. 3 John 1 and 4. Thank you so much for listening at my word, the scripture that I have for today. And I know down the line it's going to help someone today, tomorrow, next week, next year, or years later. When you all look at this video, there's someone going to need this scripture, and I know it. And I will thank you all for letting me know if the scripture has helped someone. Thank you so much.
And y'all, please like the video and comment. We definitely appreciate it. If you like the video, you comment just a little emoji to let her know, or a little heart emoji, or you could say something in the comment. We would appreciate it. And please like the video. It will help the YouTube push up videos out. We will love it, love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much.
Okay, I'm getting ready. Guess what? It's a warm, hot day today. It's about 103 degrees right here today. So I'm getting ready to make orange sherbet. Orange sherbet. And I love my sherbet ice cream. Not ice cream, but orange sherbet. So, okay. I will be using, right now, I'm using the crushed orange soda. Okay?
Oh, sorry.
And also a heavy whipped cream. And also a condensed milk.
So that's 1 can of condensed milk, 2 cups of orange soda, crushed soda, gotta be crushed soda, y'all, and 2 cups of heavy cream.
Okay, so I'm pouring the 2 cups of heavy cream into the bowl right now. Where is it? Now, no, heavy cream is very thick, and I have to have a spatula to kind of get it out the side of the bowl. Okay. And I love sherbet all the time. I like orange sherbet, and I love pineapple sherbet. But right now, I'm going to do the orange. Okay. So now I have my 2 cups of heavy cream, and I'm getting ready now. I'm going to start whipping it up. Oh, Lord have mercy. I have it on high speed right now. The bowl's a little bit bigger, so.
Now make sure when y'all whip it until it's real thick.
Okay, now I pull my
Y'all, when it comes out, when the whipped cream come out, it's supposed to be just like that. It's supposed to be stiff when it comes out on the mixer.
Now put my condensed milk in. Again. Okay. This is 1 can of condensed milk that I'm putting in now. Okay. Now we'll be pouring what is it? 2 cups of crushed soda in here now. I'm putting 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Okay. Okay, now start back to beating again. A little bit.
It's sticky.
Until it freezes. It takes 6 hours for it to freeze, so I won't be able to show it to you until tomorrow.
Yeah.
Or maybe, I don't know.
It'll be tomorrow, cause
Okay. All right, so. Okay, everyone, I'm getting ready to do the Dr. Pepper ice cream now. So now I'm going to be pouring my 2 cups of heavy cream, and then I'm going to beat it up till it gets really thick, and then I will pour my Dr. Pepper in. Okay, so here I go. Getting started right now. This is 2 cups of heavy cream. 2 cups of heavy cream. All right. Now, I'm getting ready. I'm going to try the other mixer now. See can it do better. I'm going to be pouring in my Dr. Pepper. I mean my condensed milk. I'm sorry. Then I'll beat it, then I'll pour everything in. So this is a can of condensed milk. Now, I'll pour my can of Dr. Pepper in. Then I'll start the noise again. Can of Dr. Pepper. All of it. Dr. Pepper! Okay. Now, here I go. Pouring it into the pan. I'm going to put it in the freezer. And it has to freeze for 6 hours. For at least 6 hours.
All right, y'all.
I'm back now, everyone. Guess what? The ice cream is ready. And it's 103 degrees outside. So, I want you to see, this is the orange sherbet, and this is the Dr. Pepper. But now it's so hot until it's beginning to melt before I can let it taste. But it is delicious, both of them. This one I had a hard time because it was a little bit harder than the other one. So, but this is what it looks like. And I know what it tastes like. It's very, very good. So let me get a quick taste because it is melting pretty fast. It is pretty hot in the kitchen also, where I am right now. So, okay. I'm going to take a little bite. So I'm going to take a little bite of the orange for you all. Yeah, it is so delicious. And I love orange sherbet. I love sherbet anyway. So, you will love it. I hate it so warm and it's starting to melt. And I can't really let you watch a good taste on it. I have a good taste. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to take a taste of the Dr. Pepper. We had a hard time. This one was much harder to come out of the freezer than the sherbet was. So I'm going to take a little taste of this now. Now, y'all may be thinking I'm crossing it up, but this is the only way that I can do it because we made them at the same time, and I want you all to see them. Okay, I'm taking a taste of the Dr. Pepper right now. Oh my God.
Yeah, it's good.
I don't know which one tastes the best. It both taste so good. And this is a very good day to have a taste test. Except it's just a little too hot in here. And the ice cream is melting faster than I can taste it for you. Okay.
That ice cream is delicious.
Y'all, it's very, very delicious. When I said it is really a wonderful taste. And it's so good. Both of them are good. So if you like the sherbet, try that one. And if you like the ice cream, try this Dr. Pepper. Look, y'all know Dr. Pepper is my best thing to go. Of course, sherbet is also. So I have a choice between both of them because I love sherbet and I love Dr. Pepper. So I can't tell you which one is the best. Because to me, they are both very, very delicious. They are really, really, really delicious. Because it doesn't take long. It just more or less the freezing in them is about the only thing that you have to wait for. But for us to doing it, and make sure when you're doing this, make sure you have a good mixer to mix them up because wonderful taste. Yes. Both of them are tasting very good. Thank you so much. And I know you will love it if you try it. Either one of them, you can try it. And it don't have to be Dr. Pepper flavor. It can be whatever flavor that you like. You know, that whatever your favorite soda is that you like. Try it and see. I know you will like it. And I sure thank you so much. So please, y'all, watch my video. This is for the ice cream video. For the Dr. Pepper and Dr. Pepper really ice cream. And the orange is a sherbet. So please watch it. Like, comment, and share, and hype. And subscribe to the channel. I will appreciate it so much. And I love you all. But ice cream, this is a day for ice cream. And I know that you're going to enjoy it. The summer days are still here. Come on now. Let's get busy. I want you to go to the kitchen and get you some milk and condensed milk and heavy cream and get going. And you can get going whatever you want to. Lemon, any kind of ice, chocolate, whatever you want to make. So thank you so much. And I love you all. But for Miss Lena's Kitchen, orange sherbet here and Dr. Pepper here. I didn't have my can over here, but we use Crush for this one, and I use Dr. Pepper for this one. So thank you so much. God bless. Have a wonderful day, and see you in the next video. Hope you will enjoy Ice Cream Day. Bye-bye now.